The best robot vacuums for 2025, your guide to smarter and more efficient cleaning. Keeping your home clean has never been quicker or more effective, thanks to the remarkable advancements in robot vacuum technology. Let's explore why these devices are essential for your smart home setup in 2025. Whether you're managing a demanding career, juggling responsibilities as a parent, or just aiming for a stress-free solution to cleaning, these vacuums ensure a spotless home, and they do it effortlessly. Robot vacuums in 2025 leverage AI-powered navigation, including state-of-the-art LiDAR mapping. This ensures precise coverage, allowing them to clean every corner without missing spots and navigate complex spaces with ease. Advanced obstacle avoidance technology also keeps them working efficiently in unpredictable home layouts. Control your vacuum with the convenience of your smartphone or through voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Scheduling cleanings, setting prohibited zones, or checking cleaning progress has never been simpler or more time-saving. Tailor your cleaning preferences to target high-traffic areas, pet hair, or individual rooms. These vacuums adjust to your lifestyle, ensuring a personalized and efficient cleaning experience. RoboClean Pro 2025 LiDAR navigation, self-emptying base, and Alexa compatibility. Perfect for large homes. SmartVac Ultra X, dual brushes and customizable zones, ideal for families and pet owners. EcoBot Smart Clean, eco-friendly design with app-controlled features, perfect for environmentally conscious households. Effortless cleaning begins with the next generation of robot vacuums. From powerful suction to AI navigation and low-maintenance features, the best robot vacuums for 2025 redefine home care. Invest in one today to save time, simplify chores, and enjoy a spotless home without lifting a finger.